everyone, and welcome back to Roy English Talk, the place where learning English is easy, fun, and full of real-life conversations. I'm Ava.
And I'm Paul. Hello, Ava. Hello to all our listeners tuning in today. I hope you're having a great day so far.
Paul, I see that look on your face. What's going on?
Well, Ava, it's my hair. It is completely out of control today. I feel like I could star in a movie as a wild bear.
I can see that, but you know what? That's perfect for today's topic.
Really? What are we talking about today?
Today, friends, we are going to explore visiting the beauty salon and barber shop. From haircuts to styling, from beard trims to manicures, and even pedicures. Today we will learn the vocabulary and phrases you need for a full self-care day.
Wow, that's perfect. I really need to learn these words, Ava.
And we'll do it in a fun, easy way, just like always. So grab a cup of tea, relax, and let's talk about hair, nails, and confidence.
Okay, Ava, I am ready. But where do I start? I've never been very confident walking into a barbershop.
Don't worry, Paul. Let's start from the beginning. First, you need to know the place names. For men, it's usually a barber shop, and for women, it's a beauty salon or just salon.
Okay, barbershop for me, salon for you. Got it.
Exactly. And the people who work there have special names. A man who cuts men's hair is called a barber, and a woman who cuts hair is usually called a hairdresser or a stylist.
All right, so I walk into the barbershop. What do I say first?
You can ask if they have appointments or accept walk-ins. For example, I would like to make an appointment for a haircut, or can I walk in for a haircut?
Oh, so appointments are for busy barbers, right?
Yes, if it's a popular barber, calling ahead is best, but many shops welcome walk-ins too.
Great. And what happens next?
The barber will usually ask, "What are we doing today?" or "How would you like it?" That's when you describe your haircut. Don't worry, we'll practice that next.
Sounds good. I think I am ready to learn.
Perfect. But before we move on, remember, don't be nervous. Barbers and hairdressers are used to helping people explain exactly what they want. And if words fail, you can always show a photo of your desired style.
Okay, Ava, this is the part I always struggle with. I never know how to tell the barber what I want.
I know, Paul, but don't worry. We'll start with simple words you can use. If you only want a small change, you can say, "Just a trim, please."
Trim? What does that mean exactly?
A trim is when you cut only a little bit, usually the ends, to make your hair look neat. It's safe, no big surprises.
Okay, just a trim sounds good, but maybe I need more today.
Then you can ask for a full haircut. For example, I want it short on the sides and a little longer on top. That's a classic men's style.
Short on the sides, longer on top. I like that.
Now for tools, barbers use scissors for regular cuts and clippers for very short hair. If it's all very short, they call it a buzz cut.
Oh no, I don't want a buzz cut.
Don't worry. Another popular style is a fade. That's when hair is short at the bottom near your neck and gradually longer toward the top. It looks clean and modern.
A fade sounds interesting. And what about facial hair?
Good question. Barbers can trim your beard or even give a full shave. You can say, "I'd like a beard trim, please," or "just a shave today."
Perfect. That will save me from looking like a bear again.
Exactly. And if you ever feel unsure, the best tip is to bring a photo of the haircut you want.
Ah, that makes everything easier. The barber can see exactly what I mean.
Yes, visual help is always welcome. So now you know the key phrases: trim, short on the sides, longer on top, fade, buzz cut, beard trim, and shave. Now, let's talk about women's haircuts and styles, Paul. In a salon, it's a little different from the barber shop.
Okay, I'm listening.
First, when you sit in the stylist's chair, they might ask, "What would you like to do today?" You can answer depending on the length or style you want. For example, I want a trim, a layered cut, or a bob haircut.
Layers? Bob? I don't know those words.
Sure, a trim is the same as for men, cutting just the ends. Layers mean the hair is cut at different lengths, giving it more volume and movement. A bob is a short, streak cut around the jawline or neck.
Oh, I see. That sounds elegant.
And many women also like styling options. They can ask for a blow dry, which is drying hair with a brush and hairdryer for volume and smoothness.
So that's why the salon feels so fancy.
Exactly. And there's also hair coloring. You can dye your hair a new color or get highlights, small pieces of hair lighter than the rest, to create a natural, sunny effect.
Ah, like little strips of light in your hair. Very pretty.
Yes, you can choose any color, brown, blonde, red, even blue. And for special occasions, some people ask for updos or braids, which are styled and pinned in creative ways.
Wow, so many choices.
That's why it's important to bring a photo if you want a particular style. Words alone can be tricky.
Got it. Trim, layers, bob, blow dry, dye, highlights, updo, and braids. I think I'm learning fast.
You are. And remember, it's not just about looking good. It's also about feeling confident and relaxed while learning these new words.
Eva, one part I always find interesting is washing hair at the salon. It looks so relaxing.
Oh, it really is, Paul. Most salons have a special chair with a sink for hair washing. You lean back, and the stylist washes your hair with warm water and shampoo.
Shampoo, that's the soap for your hair, right?
Yes, exactly. Shampoo cleans your hair and scalp. After shampoo, they usually apply conditioner, which makes your hair soft, smooth, and easy to style.
Ah, conditioner. Like a moisturizer for hair.
That's a perfect way to think about it. And the best part is the head massage. Stylists gently massage your scalp while washing. It feels amazing and very relaxing.
Wow, I could almost fall asleep.
Many people do. But don't worry, it's safe. After washing, the stylist towel dries your hair and then uses a blow dryer.
Blow dryer, that's the hot air machine they use with a brush.
Yes, the stylist uses a round brush and a dryer to give your hair volume, smoothness, and shine. You can also ask for a simple blow dry for everyday hair or a styled blow dry for a special event.
That sounds fancy, but useful.
It really is. Learning these words, shampoo, conditioner, towel dry, blow dry, round brush, volume, shine, they make it easy to explain exactly what you want at any salon.
I like that. Now I understand the full process from washing to drying. It feels professional and relaxing. Ava, I've always wondered, what exactly happens when someone wants to change their hair color at a salon?
That's a great question, Paul. Changing your hair color is called dyeing your hair. You can dye it one color, like brown, black, red, or even blue.
Blue. That's bold.
Yes, salons can be very creative. And there's another option called highlights. Highlights are small sections of hair that are lighter than the rest, creating a sun-kissed, natural look.
Ah, like little streaks of light in the hair. I get it now.
Exactly. And stylists use tools to style your hair after a haircut or color. These include flat irons to straighten hair, curling irons for waves or curls, and round brushes for blow drying.
Flat iron, curling iron, got it. And these make the hair look professional and polished?
Yes, they help shape the hair exactly how you want it. You can ask the stylist, "Can you curl my hair?" or "Can you straighten it, please?"
Perfect. And what about temporary changes?
Salons can also do washout colors or semi-permanent dyes. These last a few weeks and are great if you want to try something new without a long-term change.
Wow, there are so many options.
That's right. So now you know the key words: dye, highlights, flat iron, curling iron, round brush, straightening, curling. They make it easy to explain exactly what you want at any salon.
Ava, now that we've talked about hair, what about nail care? I've seen people get manicures and pedicures, but I don't know the words.
Don't worry, Paul. Let's start with the basics. A manicure is for your hands and fingernails, while a pedicure is for your feet and toenails.
Oh, I see. And what do they do exactly?
For a manicure, the stylist will trim and shape your nails, clean under them, and often push back the cuticles. They may also polish your nails with nail polish in any color you like.
Nail polish. That's like paint for nails, right?
Exactly. And if you don't want color, you can ask for clear polish or a buff manicure, which makes nails shine naturally without color.
Sounds good. And pedicures?
A pedicure starts with soaking your feet in warm water, then trimming and shaping nails, cleaning under them, and massaging your feet. Some people also add polish or a buff, just like a manicure.
A pedicure sounds very relaxing, especially if you stand a lot during the day.
Yes, Paul, both manicures and pedicures are great self-care practices. They make your hands and feet feel healthy and soft, and they boost confidence.
I like that idea. And the words are simple: manicure, pedicure, nail polish, clear polish, buff, cuticles, nail file, soak, massage.
Perfect, Paul. Now you can go to the salon or spa and describe exactly what you want for your hands and feet.
Ava, now that we know all these words, haircuts, colors, manicures, pedicures, why is self-care so important?
Great question, Paul. Self-care is about more than looking good. It's also about feeling confident, relaxed, and happy. When your hair is neat and your nails are clean, you walk differently, smile more, and feel ready for the day.
I know exactly what you mean. After a fresh haircut, I feel like a new man.
Exactly. And salons and barbershops aren't just for beauty. They are social places. People talk about sports, news, or life. And you can practice English while chatting with the stylist or barber.
Ah, so going to a salon is also a cultural experience, not just grooming.
Yes. And don't forget, photos are your best friends. Showing a picture of the hairstyle or nail color you want is faster and easier than using words alone.
Got it. That's a really useful tip.
One more thing, Paul. Self-care is for everyone, not just women. Men can get haircuts, beard trims, manicures, and pedicures too. It's about feeling good and healthy.
That makes sense. Learning these words also makes me feel more confident at the salon. I know exactly what to say and what to ask for.
That's the goal. When you leave the salon or barbershop, you'll look good, feel confident, and even have new vocabulary to practice English in everyday life.
I'm ready for my next visit. I feel like a professional now.
Well, Paul, we've covered a lot today. Haircuts, colors, styling tools, manicures, pedicures, and the importance of self-care.
Yes, Ava, I feel like I could confidently go to any salon or barbershop now. Let's quickly review the keywords for our listeners.
Sure. The places, barbershop and salon. The people, barber and hairdresser/stylist. For haircuts, trim, short on the sides, longer on top, fade, buzz cut, layers, bob. For styling, shampoo, conditioner, blow dry, flat iron, curling iron, highlights, and dye.
And for hands and feet, manicure, pedicure, nail polish, clear polish, buff, nail file, soak, massage. Don't forget the most important tip. Bring a photo if you want a specific style.
Perfect summary. And now our question for you, friends. Do you prefer long hair or short hair? And do you enjoy visiting the salon, or do you feel a little nervous like Paul?
Tell us your stories in the comments. We love reading them and learning from your experiences.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Royal English Talk, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Stay confident, stay beautiful, and keep practicing English every day.
See you next time, everyone.